Hi everyone, this is Soni Svero. I am pursuing my degree final year in PSWRDC Jaidirigutta. I am selected for SURF Economic Research Fellowship in Ajim Premji University. My mentor is Srija sister. My coordinators are the Shashank bro and Madhuri sister. My research topic is COVID impact on SC, ST, BC women in Telangana. We are collected 177 data in whole Telangana. In this project 26 students are participated. Every student collected data from 6 women's, 3 from direct data primary data collection, 3 from phone data collection. These are called secondary data collection. I am very interested to participate in this research fellowship. Why? Because research is a not in the do in field. Research is a new creative idea, thinking about creating new thoughts. I am very interested to participate in this research fellowship. I am enjoyed a lot, and every day I learned a new thing from the Sushant bro and Madhuri sister. My mentor is Srija sister. He is helping very lot. Each and every point I ask any doubt, she will clarify any time. I'll definitely thankful to these 3 people, 3 fellows. I am very happy to tell that this research is very helpful to us. Why? Because in the PhD we will do research that now I learned so many things. That time I will very easy to do that things. I learned this program to how to collect the data and how to analyze the data, how to do cross tabulation. Tahir bro tell how to do cross tabulation and how to write the report, final report of data. So many women are asked this research is how to helpful to us, but we will tell to there this research is not helpful to you, but in the future we will do anything for you. Your problems are now going, but in the future we will solve your problem and find any solution to your problem. We will tell to her. This program is very helpful to us. Why? Because women are take what challenges and what are their works and their responsibilities. We learn so many things to this women's in this pandemic situation. So many are changed their domestic responsibilities and their works. I am very clear to tell that I learned so many things in this research fellowship. I am very thankful to Shashank bro and Madhuri sister and IPS Praveen Kumar sir provide this wonderful opportunity to me and join this program. I am very thankful to Ajim Premji University and all are my mentors and my team members, my team mentees. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.